Now see, by concentrating on each one, I just slow and go. And then see, I've got a, where this pipe was, I came up with a new line where the old one was. I have to dig it into the ground a little bit because that's pushed down. I just put a cap on this one over here, and now once it's done, I can kind of backfill it. And this bubbler, I'm just sticking it up pretty high, you know, and that way when the time comes that she decides to put bark in here and stuff, this is going to be up above it, and that's how I'm going to leave it. It's just how I'm going to leave it. Sticking it up with a couple rocks. And now I can go back and backfill some of this if I want. Pushing it down in there. A couple areas I can go back and cover up the rest. You know, my first and foremost is to make sure I can get all the bubblers in, and so I can work on that raised planter area, you know. Okay. But I'll go back after a while, and I can make this look halfway decent, okay? All right, so that's how I'm gonna leave the bubbler down that plant. Just gonna leave it pooched up like that. Okay, then I'm gonna go to the next one. Pooch it up, see if it's long enough. Here it is here. It had a sprayer. This piece looks like it's long enough from there. So I'll kind of dig it in a little bit, wrap it around here. This is all dead. I'll probably whack that off, cut the end off, and stick a 1 gallon bubbler on there. Okay, it's easy stuff. All right, and you decide how you want to do things, and there's always different ways to do stuff. Oh, she got a cilantro today. I better stick it in the shade. She wanted to plant it over here. We'll just leave it over here for the time being. Okay. And I'll just keep concentrating one at a time. Boom, 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 boom. Well, that's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. I hope you learned something on this video.